This is a record player. What up, player? What I'm gonna do with this is make it look like it's actually from the John Wick world. Don't know what it looks like yet. It's a vertical record player. I don't have a whole lot of room in this John Wick room. Like I said, this is more of a safe room, like what Winston hangs out in. So definitely need a record player. Ooh, this is cool. It's smaller than I thought, which is great. And to make this look like it's actually from the John Wick world, what I'm going to do is make this turntable out of clear acrylic and then install green LEDs behind it so it'll come in, edge will be frosted, probably cut a little groove for the belt to ride into. And then this I'm covering in a black walnut burl. I'm going to replace this with brass. Because, I mean, come on, how cool is that gonna look with brass? So what I have to do is cast acrylic right now, so it'll be dry tomorrow. It's now 4 a.m. This does not look bad. My little release tape has come in on some areas. I'm not worried because I made this thing 1 inch too big so I can cut all that away. It is 1.5 inches and it only needs to be 3/4. So I have plenty of room to work with. It looks great. Let's see if we can't put this thing on the lathe and make something. I just poured this last night. It hasn't like totally dried, so we're gonna see what happens. My feeling is if it's still a little soft, it's not going to shatter. Then again, if it's a little soft, it might just shatter and spin everywhere. But clock's ticking, I got a deadline, so we're all about to go on a little adventure. All right, so I just finished centering up the clear acrylic. I'm building another box for this. It's actually going to mount on the wall and go straight down, and that's going to get a black oak burl veneer and then rub down with oil. Found the record, bam. I'm sure this will all be blurred out. Trust me, it's a great record. I have listened to this record probably the most in my life. So I will easily be able to tell if I have turned the acrylic too small and the record is spinning faster than it should be. This is where you can do a lot of editing, Dylan. I'm just gonna let this thing run. Alrighty, we got a problem. Got just a little nib on there I gotta take care of. not working. Power's on, coming out of the RCA's, going into the line in. And then coming out to the speakers. Like, yeah, I didn't feel any other button or any other thing to press on this to be like.